Hi everyone, welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi, friends. I love wind-up toys. You wind them up, and then they do fun things. I have 4 wind-up toys to share with you today. Are you ready for some fun? Let's go! Wow! Today, I have an orange bug. It's a caterpillar. Can you say that? Give it a try. You say, caterpillar. That's a long word. What should we do? You say, make it go. Here we go. How do we make it go? We have to turn the knob. Are you ready? Here we go. Turn, 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 turn. And you tell caterpillar, go, go, go. You say it. Go, go, go. Little caterpillar going for a walk, going for a walk, going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk, going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk, going for a walk, going for a walk. Little caterpillar going for a walk on a sunny day. You say, bye-bye. You say, bye, caterpillar. Bye, bug. Let's get some more. What else do we have? Ooh, we have a whole nother kind of bug. It's a butterfly. What is it? You say it. Butterfly. What should we do with this butterfly? Let's make it go. How do we make it go? Let's turn the knob. Here we go. Are you ready? Say it with me. Turn. 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 You tell butterfly. Go, go, go. Whoa. Little butterfly going for a walk. Little butterfly going for a walk. Little butterfly going for a walk on a sunny day. Yay! You say, bye, butterfly. You say bye, bye. Here we go. Let's get another one. Are you ready? Oh, look. Oh, I have a puppy. He's a little puppy. What should we do? You say, make it go. How do we make it go? We turn the knob. Here we go. Turn, 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 turn. Okay, get ready. You tell puppy. Say, go, go, go. Oh my goodness! He does a backflip! Whoa! Oh my goodness gracious, look at him go! Woo! Nice job, puppy. And you say, bye bye. You say it. Bye bye. And you say, bye bye, puppy. Bye bye, puppy. Our last wind-up toy. It's little blue guy. Hi, little blue guy. Hi, how you doing? Hi. Wonder what he's gonna do. What should we do? Make him go. How do we make him go? We have to do what? You remember, friends. We have to turn the knob. Here we go. Turn, 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 turn. Here we go. You tell little blue guy. You tell him, say, go, go, go. Little blue guy going for a walk. Little blue guy going for a walk. Little blue guy going for a walk. Going for a walk. Little blue guy going for a walk. Whoa, that was fun. Let's say bye to him. You say bye. Bye, little blue guy. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. That was so much fun. Which was your favorite wind-up toy? Do you remember which ones there were? Let's think. There was the little blue guy. There was a butterfly, orange caterpillar, and a puppy. That was fun. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. I'll see you another day. Bye, friends.